Hello, we're the Big Phone Store, and this is the Big Phone Review. Today we're going to be looking at a great first phone for teenagers, 2022's iPhone SE, that we sell here in store and online. Let's get started. Firstly, all of our phones come in the following conditions: brand new, like new, pristine, very good, good, and fair. Click the link here to see our video on what these conditions mean. To give you the shorthand here though, it's basically describing the look of the phone and the price it's being sold for. The iPhone SEs we have come in the conditions listed, have unlocked networks, view this video to see what that means, can only accept one SIM card, but you can add an eSIM onto it if you want. I am just a shameless self-promoter here. View this video to see what that means. All have 85% or higher minimum battery level, apart from brand new and like new, which have 100%. Fun fact, we're the only reseller who sell our phones with 85% minimum battery level. You're welcome, by the way. And all the 2022 iPhone SEs we have come in 3 different storage sizes: 64GB, 128GB, and 256GB. The size of the storage space you choose will also determine the price of your next phone. And if you're unsure of what to choose, think of it like this. If you're not fussed about taking a lot of photos, filming a lot of videos, or downloading a lot of apps, then choose the lower storage size. If you're the opposite of that, then go for the higher. And if you're still unsure, go somewhere in the middle. I hope that helped. But enough about under the hood. What do the phones look like? The 2022 iPhone SEs come in 3 different colours: Midnight, Starlight, and Red. Included with the phone is a genuine charging cable, SIM removal tool if applicable, 12 months warranty, 14-day money-back guarantee, 3 next working day delivery, and a Phone Check SM certification that assures your next phone is in 100% working condition. This is all packed away for you, ready to go to its new home. If you want to find out more about the other phones we have to offer or have any questions you might want to ask us, either visit the website at www.thebigphonestore.co.uk, phone 01902 256 300, or pop in the store yourself at Wensfield Business Park, Waddensbrook Lane, Wolverhampton. So thanks for watching this Big Phone review from the Big Phone Store, and I'll see you on the next one.